Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Atif, and you're watching my channel Moon Triple Three. Actually, I'm suffering from the sore throat, therefore, there will be some difficulty to understand my voice. Uh, Actually, I have just compiled a new list for you for the top altcoins for this week. So let's start. But before moving to the chart, I would like to say that the information in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Now let's start with our first altcoin, and that is Ripple or XRP with US dollar pair. And on this chart, you can see the price action has formed a bullish crab pattern. We will also see the dimensions and the perfection of the patterns, how the perfect patterns are we are following. And if we see this pattern, then this is the initial leg, X to A leg, and the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci, which is required for the bullish crab pattern. And here we can see the B leg is retraced up to 0.45 Fibonacci, which is exactly as per requirement from 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And B to C leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is almost retraced up to 0.886 Fibonacci. I've just ignored these two spikes. And the C to D leg should be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. You can see this is the 1.27 and this is the 1.618 Fibonacci. So the price action has completed the bullish crab pattern. Now the price action should take the bullish divergence and move up from this PRZ area and should be reflected or projected in between this area from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. This is the projection area of C to D leg of this bullish crab pattern. So this should be our buying zone, and this is our sell targets. So this trade has the potential to give up to 39% profit. Our second coin is the ADA or Cardano with US dollar pair, and here we can see the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern, and this is the clear initial leg. And in the shark pattern, we require the B leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And here we can see we have the retracement of B leg uh, up to 0.452 Fibonacci, which is as required for the B leg of the shark pattern. And the B to C leg should be retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we have a little bit difference. It is almost retraced closer to the 1.13 Fibonacci, but almost all legs are driven as required for the shark pattern. Therefore, I have just ignored this little bit difference. And after that, the C to D leg should be retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is retraced up to 1.13 Fibonacci. Even it has given a spike beyond the 1.13 Fibonacci, but it is moved up again and entered in the potential reversal zone. And this is our buying range, and these are the sell targets. So this trade has the capacity to give up to 30% if we sell between this area. In my all charts, we should consider that this potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point. If a complete candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we should take exit from the trade or sell. Our third coin is IOTA, and this is our third altcoin. The IOTA with US dollar, and here we can see This is a week chart, and I am just sharing the coins which are expected to give uh, the profit within this week, within the next 7 days. But this is a week chart, it can take up to the month. So, but this is a very strong trade because this is a week chart and the pattern is very strong. Here we can see the price action has formed a bullish butterfly pattern, and this is the initial leg. And after initial leg in butterfly, we need the retracement between 0.382 up to, 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And the B2C leg of butterfly should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. That is 0.767 Fibonacci. And the C to D leg of bullish butterfly should be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is retraced between this area and entered in this potential reversal zone. Now the price action should take the bullish divergence and hit this projection area. This is the projection area of A to D leg of this bullish butterfly, because whenever the bullish butterfly or crab pattern uh, form, then we take our sell zone. That should be the projection of A to D leg. So this is the 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci of A to D leg. So this trade has the capacity to give up to 66% profit. Our fourth cryptocurrency for the week is the Ethereum with US dollar, and here we can see the price action has completed the bullish crab pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone completely. This is the initial leg, the A to B leg, as I have already told you in our first chart of XRP. The A to B leg of crab should be between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci, and here we have the retracement between this area 0.476 Fibonacci. And the B2C leg of bullish crab pattern should be between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action of this pattern. The C leg is retraced up to 0.823 Fibonacci. And the C to D leg should be retraced 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we have the required retracement, and the price action is now entered in this potential reversal zone. Now, the price action should take the bullish divergence from here, and our sell zone is the A to D Fibonacci projection between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. So this trade has the potential to give up to 46% profit within next 7 days. Our next cryptocurrency or fifth cryptocurrency is Litecoin with US dollar, and here we can see the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. I'm just playing the idea. All right. So this is completely entered in the potential reversal zone. At this time, we have the chance or opportunity to catch the price action at the bottom of the potential reversal zone. As you can see, this is an initial leg, and the A to B leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And here we have the retracement 0.424 Fibonacci. And the B2C leg of this shark pattern should be between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we can see the C leg is retraced up to 1.371 Fibonacci. And the C to D leg of the shark should be between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is retraced up to 1.13 Fibonacci. And uh, even if we have 1, 2, 3 spikes beyond the potential reversal zone, but this is this support or this bottom of the potential reversal zone is very, very strong support for the price action. Therefore, so far, the price action is not able to cross down or break down this potential reversal zone support. And this is our buying zone, and these are our sell targets. So this trade has potential to give up to 38% profit. Our next trade is EOS with US dollar. And on this chart, we can see the price action has completed. This is also a bullish shark pattern. This is initial leg. The A to B leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And here we have the retracement up to 0.382 Fibonacci. And B to C leg should be retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and you can see we have the retracement of C leg up to 1.286 Fibonacci, which is exactly between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And the C to D leg should be retraced between 8.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. I'm just playing this idea. So we can see the price action is completely entered in the potential reversal zone. Now this candlestick is moving sideways. So the price action will take the bullish divergence very soon within next 7 days from this area up to this area. And this is the projection of C to D Fibonacci from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. So this trade has the potential to give up to 42%. And our next coin after EOS with US dollar is XLM with US dollar. And here we can see the price action has formed a bullish bat pattern. The bullish bat should be, this is the initial leg. In the A to B leg in bullish bat should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.50 Fibonacci, not up to 0.618. It should be not more than 0.50 Fibonacci. So here we can see we have the retracement not more than 0.50 Fibonacci. And the B to C leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and here we have the retracement up to 0.611 Fibonacci. And the final leg should be retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And we can see this potential reversal zone is just playing the role of very, very strong support. And the price action is moving between this potential reversal zone area. Now it should take the bullish divergence from here, and soon it will hit the area, the sell target or area between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. This is the projection of A to D leg. Our next, this is the XLM with US dollar, all right? And this trade has the potential to give up to 46%. And our next coin is, after XLM, Link with US dollar, the chain link. And here we can see the price action has formed another bullish shark pattern. This is initial leg. The A to B leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And here we have retracement up to 0.618 Fibonacci. The B to C leg should be retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we can see we have the retracement up to 1.13 Fibonacci, which is the minimum requirement of C leg of shark. And the C to D leg is retraced, should be retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. And we can see the price action has also crossed 0.886 and also hit 1.13 Fibonacci. Now we are looking for the sell target, which is the projection area of C to D leg from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. So this trade has a capacity to give up to 42% profit. After the link, we have the next coin, the Monero or XMR. And this coin also has formed a bullish shark pattern and just moving within the potential reversal zone. And this is initial leg. The A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci, and the B to C leg is retraced almost up to 1.13 Fibonacci, which is a minimum requirement for the shark. Because we have all the legs driven perfectly as required for the shark pattern. Therefore, there is little bit difference. I've just ignored that. Sometimes we have to ignore if we have the complete pattern driven perfectly. So we can see this potential reversal zone or the bottom of the potential reversal zone is performing a very, very strong support role. So far we have 1, 2, 3 spikes beyond this potential reversal zone. But the price action is moved up again and now moving within this potential reversal zone. At this time, we have the price 50.468, and our borderline is the 49.193. Now the price action should take the bullish divergence and move between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci, the projection of C to D Fibonacci leg. Our next coin is Dash with US dollar, and this is the 47% profit potential trade. And here the price action has completed another bullish crab pattern. This is the initial leg. The A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci as required for the crab, and the B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci as required for the bullish crab pattern, and the final leg is retraced, should be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action has crossed 1.27 and now it has hit 1.618 Fibonacci. Now it has entered in the potential reversal zone. Now we are expecting it will be moved up and hit this Fibonacci projection of A to D Fibonacci projection between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. This is the buying range and these are the sell targets. So these were the cryptocurrencies which I have compiled for you, and these cryptocurrencies are expected to give the profit within the next 7 days. And I've also shared the link of Binance exchange in the video's description, because the Binance is the exchange which has the largest trading volume of every cryptocurrency. If you don't have account of the Binance exchange, then you can just click on that link which I have shared in the video's description. That is my referral link, and after clicking on that link you can create your account. That is really very easy. I have also shared the link of Tradingview in the video's description. When you will click on that link, you will be on the Tradingview site like this, and you just need to click on the people option, select the people option from this drop down. After clicking here, and you just need to write Moon 333. Then you will find my portal, my link, and after clicking on my link, you will be on my portal or page, and I have shared my all ideas here. You can find all these ideas on my page on the Trading View. So thank you so much guys for watching the complete video. I'll be back soon with more profit potential, trading ideas and educational videos. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and do hit the like. Thanks.